Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making these adorable little spinach and white bean puffs, and I actually, when I posted them on the community tab, somebody was like, these are Kronk's spinach puffs. So this is an homage to Kronk from The Emperor's New Groove. I love that movie. I love that whole scene. I love Kronk. So this is my version of Kronk's spinach puffs if he were a vegan. And yeah, these are so delicious. I think they're so beautiful. They look really fun for spring because we're so close to spring, okay? In my mind, we're there. I think March 20th in the northern hemisphere, we are in spring. So we're getting really close. So these are beautiful. They're really flavorful and light and delicious, and puff pastry always is just a winner. So I think you will really like them. And yeah, the full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. Links for my cookbook, sign up for my newsletter. Everything you want to know is in that description box down below. So definitely check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you like my videos, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps the channel out, helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes. And let's go make these spinach puffs. We are starting off by making our filling. So I'm adding cannellini beans, some garlic. Guys, this was elephant garlic. It was huge. It's so cool. Some onion that I chopped up, and I roughly chopped all this stuff because it's gonna go in the food processor. Lots of spinach, of course. These are spinach puffs. Some vegan cream cheese. I'm using the one from Kite Hill, and then some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, salt, and we are just going to blend this up until it reaches a pretty broken down consistency with a little bit of texture in there still. Don't be worried if you have to kind of scrape your sides, and the spinach might take like a minute to break down, but we get there eventually, don't worry. And it'll look something like this. This was kind of where I felt was a good consistency. You can give it a taste, add in more seasonings if you like. It will have a stronger taste right now of the raw onion and garlic that will go away when it bakes. These are the puff pastry sheets I'm using. They are accidentally vegan, which is awesome. So I'm just taking one sheet. There'll be two sheets in there, but I'm only going to use one. And we're just going to roll it out. Be a little bit gentle with this. It is pretty sturdy puff pastry dough, so you don't have to be like too gentle, but you know, it still is a dough and it still can rip and tear. So I'm just going to roll it out, and as you can see, it's almost the whole size of the cutting board now. So I'm going to cut the dough into 16 pieces. So I'm first making 4 columns, and then I will make 4 rows, and we will have 16 little rectangle square kind of things. Doesn't have to be precise, doesn't have to be exact. We just want 16 pieces. I'm going to scoop a small spoonful of the filling in the center of the square, and then we're going to take 2 diagonal corners, pinch them to meet in the middle, and then we will take the other 2 diagonal corners, pinch them to meet in the middle, and that's it. Now you have your little puff pastry square. That's all you have to do. Very easy, very simple. When they are all done, they'll look something like this, and make sure you give them a good pinch at the top. Now you can place them on your baking sheet. I'm going to brush them with a little bit of non-dairy milk, and then I'm also sprinkling some sesame seeds on top just because I really like that. And now we can put them at the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. You will have leftover filling, so you can either save this and use it as a pasta sauce. You can use it for dipping. You can obviously make more puff pastries. It's whatever you feel like doing. When they're all done, they will look something like this. You can see they really darkened up in color, golden brown, beautiful. They look so good. So now I'm just going to put them on a plate, and they did kind of open up while they baked, but I kind of like how that looks better actually. And I'm going to sprinkle some coarse sea salt, some sesame seeds, and microgreens on top, make it look extra fancy and fabulous. And that's it. They're all done. They're easy to make. They're incredibly delicious. Like, the flavor on them is so good. You can pair them with some vegan tzatziki, but they are so delicious on their own. And I don't know, they're just so good. I think they look so pretty. They look really like fancy and fun, but they're very easy to make. And like I said, you could even take that extra filling and blend it up further and just make a dipping sauce. So I think you will really enjoy them. Let me know how it goes if you try them out. And thank you so much for watching. And again, if you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another recipe. Bye.